if background app is out on your iPhone. If you open any app and it background app refresh is grayed out, here are the fix. Tap on settings and scroll down, go to app section and open any app. We will try to see WhatsApp. As you can see, background app refresh grayed out. Neither you can turn on, neither off. Here are the fixes. Tap on settings, scroll down and go to battery settings. Tap on it and first disable low power mode. Disable this feature, low power mode. Thereafter check, go to settings, scroll down, open WhatsApp settings and you can see slightly green icon visible, background app refresh, not fully green. So we will fix this issue again. Tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general and here you will find background app refresh. Tap on it and enable this feature, background app refresh, either Wi-Fi or cellular data, otherwise Wi-Fi. Enable this feature. Now we will check again, go to same location, settings, WhatsApp and you can see background app refresh fully green. That's all.